What is anarchy? Broadly construed, anarchy means that there is no superior power within a system that would be able to enforce rules. In other words, anarchy is a situation in which a government either does not exist or has no authority or control over the people. Hence, the philosophy of anarchism suggests that societies can survive and thrive only when operating under alternatives to traditional government rule. It is important to note that while often misused in describing a state of violent lawlessness, chaos, and social collapse, anarchy is synonymous with concepts such as freedom, liberty, independence, and self-government. In theory, anarchism envisions a peaceful, kinder, and more equitable society. The term anarchy comes from the ancient Greek word anarchos, which means without rulers. As used today in political science and the area of international relations, anarchy can refer to the reduction or total absence of conventional government rule. It can also refer to any country or community that is temporarily or permanently under no system of governmental control. For example, when Black Lives Matter movement protesters took control of areas of Portland, Oregon, and Seattle, Washington, in the summer of 2020, President Donald Trump declared the cities to be in a state of anarchy and dispatched federal law enforcement agents to restore order. The Federal Bureau of Investigation has classified acts of violence in the pursuit of anarchy to be a form of domestic terrorism. In reality, however, anarchy describes a peaceful utopian society in which the best aspects of communism and classical liberalism are combined to produce what sociologist and author Cindy Milstein has called a free society of free individuals.